Hi there, in this video I will show you how to redeem Microsoft gift cards in Roblox. So for this I am here on rewards.bing.com. So once you search for this you will be directed to this page. Now here in search bar you need to find Roblox. Usually it is present at the top, but if you didn't find it, then in search bar simply type Roblox, and once you find it then click on Roblox. You click on Roblox. Now here we have Robux. So you can buy 200 Robux, 800 or 1000 Robux. So there we have 3000 Microsoft rewards. So I will go with 200 Robux here as we have 3000 points here. So as you can see, 541 out of 3000 points will be used for 200 Robux. So once you click on auto redeem, then a digital code will be sent to your email. So now you need to go to your Roblox homepage. Now here in left side we have gift cards option, click on it, and now right side we have redeem card, click on it. So there you need to enter the code which is sent to your email. So enter that code here and then click on redeem. So in this way you can redeem Microsoft points in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.